the piggy. I bought the piggy head, and you can see on the bottom right that you could probably see it. I don't know, but you could see my face on the bottom right. I don't know about that. So guys, we're doing piggy trolling. We're gonna be a piggy head. So the thing is that I came out late because I didn't buy it yet, but here it is. I'm gonna try because all the piggies, everybody already knows about it. Okay, so here it is. Oh no, it's a bot. Okay, plan failed, you guys. Plan failed. Okay, so it's a bot. That's the thing. Oh yeah, so if you guys are asking, wait, what? If you guys are asking why my face is like on the bottom right, if you can see it. Well, that it's open. Oh, okay. So we escaped. Got 3 piggy points. I can see that my webcam is literally glitching, but cuz I'm using my laptop. The recording I usually use is the PC. And let's start another round. 80 piggy points. Okay, game over. Okay, guys, the thing is, I'm the piggy. So, let's just kill the people. And yeah, not my best creation, you guys. This is not my. Yep, Granny Pig's coming. Uh, nice little hat. Piggy's woken up, y'all. Where y'all at? Aha! What y'all doing? Get over here. Y'all upstairs, huh? Not really how the ground. Oh, you wanna. Oh, you're stuck. Okay, so I'm gonna put just a big trap over here. It's not really the big traps, but. Oh, shut the door. Always remember, shut the door. Oh my god, this girl is just. Whee! Yeah, what? Okay, we're having a meeting with the board. Okay, now that we got new follower and we got everyone in the game, now we can do the piggy trick. And yeah, so oh yeah, guys, if you don't have Twitter and you want to see like Mini Toon and stuff, even though you don't have a Twitter account, you can still go on the website twitter.com, search up Minitoon and see what he chatted. But the thing is, you just can't reply to him, but you can still see. Well, okay, so now this guy in action. What? No. Okay, let's see what the piggy will actually think when he sees this. What am I looking at here? I didn't shut the door. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's get the key right here. Wait, what? Oh, I did get it. Okay, she's. Hey, Piggy! Oh no! I don't think this piggy's kind of joking around. Nope, she knows. She knows. Yeah, the thing is that this like troll isn't. Ah! No! Oh no! The thing is that this piggy troll, everybody knows about. So, oh my. Wait, did she actually think? Oh, I thought for. And let me just. Yeah, this piggy knows everything already. Nothing in here, just bullets. Like. Oh, did you know? Okay, and now... Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Hey. Where's Piggy? Where's Piggy? Piggy. You guys didn't even do anything in just 1 minute. Hey! Is it actually? Oh, no. It's not gonna work. Nobody is falling for it. I should have done this earlier here, guys. That's probably why. But I still got the piggy head. And I control other people probably on bacon or something. Stop chasing me! I want to be just like you! I want to be just like you! Oh my god, they're shooting and they're just missing. Wow, you're great at shooting. We'll try shooting a real gun. Okay, go. Do this, a little bit of this. Hey, I just want to be just like you. I just want to be like you. And the girl with the gun died. And that's fantastic. Why? I have no idea. Okay, so this piggy is not smart. And... if only there were... Actually, this piggy is kinda smart. I mean... Oh, wait, the yellow key is up in the circus town. Why didn't you guys get it? Dude, I just want to be just like you. Look at me. Yep, she's probably not... Oh my god, someone took the yellow key. Who took the yellow key? Wow, she's not really... Probably the dress isn't her style. Get the gun. No, not the... Dude, the gun! Finally! Did I actually get the gun? Okay, good, I got the gun. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. And now... this. What? No! What? How did I... What? That is actually really... Dude, I just want to be just like you. Oh yeah, I bought premium. You guys. There's the orange key. Oh wait, they didn't even get it. Wow, you're the best. No, get the silver key. Okay, there. Can I actually shoot Foxy? That would be so funny if I could actually... What? Piggy, this camper. Then she did this. Now all I gotta do is... He's like, nuh-uh. No! Dang it. Well, that's enough for today, you guys. That was Piggy Trolling. Now piggies don't like to be trolled. So, and also my first video of a webcam on the bottom right. I don't know if it actually shows, but, well, guys, bye, and hope you enjoyed the video.